I'm Patrick Byers, Horticulture Field Specialist with the University of Missouri Extension, based in Southwest Missouri, and I'm excited to be sharing with you today news on the 2023 Comprehensive Elderberry Conference. The 2023 Comprehensive Elderberry Conference will take place in Columbia, Missouri, in central Missouri, at the Stony Creek Conference Center. The dates of the conference are June 15th to 16th, 2023. The conference includes an exciting lineup that covers all aspects of elderberry culture. The first day, June 15th, among the topics to be presented are field propagation, weed management, elderberry breeding, the health-boosting properties of elderberries, blue elderberry, mechanical harvest, elderberries and food safety, and elderberry production in Canada. The second day of the Comprehensive Elderberry Conference is traditionally the day for farmers, and that's the case this year as well. There'll be presentations on elderberry culture, sustainable production practices, harvest and post-harvest handling of the crop, processing elderberry, and an interesting presentation on elderberries in Florida, one of the more southern production areas for elderberry. The lineup of speakers for the Comprehensive Elderberry Conference is powerful. They include Terry Durham, who has been one of the driving forces behind the development of the elderberry industry in the Midwest, Katie Reneker and Sonia Brott from California to discuss various aspects of blue elderberry production, Brent Black from Utah State University, Jed Wiebe from British Columbia, Jianfeng Zhu from the University of Missouri. He'll be reporting on developments in mechanical harvest of elderberry, and our very own Caleb O'Neill from Southwest Missouri will be talking about elderberry propagation. Further information on the 2023 Comprehensive Elderberry Conference is found at the riverhillsharvest.com website. This website also includes information on registering for the two-day Comprehensive Elderberry Conference. I hope to see everybody at the 2023 Comprehensive Elderberry Conference.